Blake Cooper here, blakecooper.com, and thanks for tuning in for day 2 on the Income Overdrive Challenge. Now today, as I said yesterday, we're going to start to talk about profiling. I refer to it as profiling because you're actually creating a profile of yourself. So you are detailing all of the information about you and where you want to get to and what you're going to be in the context that you're already doing it, if that makes sense to you. So it's a bit hard to see over here, but I've put up on the board a document that I've created about the profiling of myself and where I want to be in the future. So I would definitely suggest that any of you that haven't already done this, and I'm guessing that a lot of you wouldn't have, will start to do this and profile yourself. So you really want to get as specific as possible and you want to get as detailed as possible. As you can see here, a lot of it's about your mindset and your goals, and that's like a little bit of a mission statement about myself and where I'm going to get to. Here is a vision board. I'm sure you've seen a vision board. If you haven't before, definitely make your own. A lot of you may have seen one and not made your own vision board. Definitely do it. In here you can see I've got some mentors, people that I do look up to, people that I look up to for inspiration, people that I look to for advice, people that I look to learn from. And then you've got some of the things that I'm looking for. Obviously, a beautiful property on acreage, a nice four-wheel drive to go out four-wheel driving in, and then I've also got the car that I want just to have sitting in the garage that I take out on the weekends. Then you've got some like things to aspire to, and that's basically what it is. It's about creating the life that you want. So yours is going to be different to what I've created. You're going to want different things. You may not be interested by cars, that's fine. You might be interested definitely by property. It may be all about learning from the mentor. So create a vision board so that every time you look at it, you understand what it is you're aiming for and why you're doing everything. Because you really need to zone in on that why and understand why you're doing it. So what I'd suggest is definitely make the vision board and then put it up at your desk, in your home office, wherever you can, so that you can look at that on a daily basis and just dream and understand what you're doing everything for. Now, then we go into the identity, and this is very specific. So what you'll see here is essentially it's coming from the context that that's what I'll be doing and that's where Blake Hooper is already, and you'll be doing the same, and you're basically writing down your whole character and who you are and what you're doing it all for, and that's going to give you that why. Then you've got character traits as specific as down to the haircut, the dress, the accessories, the body type, grooming, everything like that. So you're essentially setting a complete profile for yourself, and that's what you're aiming for. As you know, once you put something down on paper, it's very, very powerful. And what you want to do is create something powerful, a document now that you can go to, your vision and mission. You've got a document now that you can read on a daily basis before you go to bed, and that's exactly what you're aiming for. If you're getting out of bed and you have no clarity, you don't even have a set of goals like we went through yesterday, you're really going to be getting out of bed and you're just going to have no drive, no reason to go to work, no reason to start your own business, no reason to hustle on the side, no reason to invest. So what you want to do is definitely follow this program here. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you for free. So I want you to take my vision board, obviously change it, because you're going to, or take this whole document and change it. Basically overwrite whatever I've written and make it into your own thing. And that way you can utilize your own document, purely created it for yourself each day, read it before you go to bed, and basically live by that document so that you create the life that you're looking for. So that's it for today. Now stay tuned tomorrow, because we're really going to go into value, and we're going to show you what it is and how we're going to increase that income by using value. So I look forward to catching you then.